Include popular keywords related to your topic in your video's tags. If you're creating a video for YouTube, you'll want to make sure that you tag it properly. The tags you choose represent how viewers and YouTube will identify and classify your video. Think of your tags like a label on a jar. It tells you what's inside. YouTube relies upon tags to understand your video's content and context, and decide how to associate it with similar videos. Choosing your tags wisely and leading with the most important keywords is essential. When selecting tags, consider the terms that people are likely to search for when looking for content like yours. It's also helpful to think of the questions they might be asking. Think of a mix of standard and more long-tail keywords to better target your audience. For example, creating a video about how to bake a cake may include tags like cake baking tutorial and how to bake a cake to capture the common search terms people are likely to use when looking for content like yours. You can also include tags like flour less cake or vegan cake recipe to reach a more specific audience. It's important to note that you should only include tags that are relevant to your content. Otherwise, you could mislead potential viewers, but it could also result in Google penalizing you for it. But don't worry if you're unsure how to tag your video. YouTube has a great tool that can help. The Video Manager includes a suggested tag section that provides a list of recommended tags based on the video's title and description. By tagging your videos with the right keywords, you can ensure that your content reaches the right people. And with the help of YouTube's suggested tags, it'll be easier than ever to get the job done. And if you like this video, please click on the like button below. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Big Funky Media. Thank you.